Part 2, question number 16. Match the columns. Option A, Kepler's first law. So, Kepler's first law is that all the planets move in an elliptical orbit with Sun situated at one of its foci. Kepler's second law is that consequence of law of conservation of angular momentum. Kepler's third law is that, according to Kepler's third law, the square of time period of revolution of a planet is proportional to the semi-major axis of the ellipse traced out by planet. T square is directly proportional to a cube. Next, according to Newton's law of gravitation, every body of universe attracts every other body with a force directly proportional to their masses and inversely proportional to the distance square between them. Next question. The circuit shown in the diagram contains two diodes, each 30 ohms with infinite reverse resistance. If the battery is 3 volt, then voltage drop across 50 ohms resistance will be. So if D1 is reverse bias, D2 is forward bias, the circuit will be as shown. So diode also has 30 ohm resistance, so it comes out to be like this. Here we can find out current. Therefore current comes out to be 3 by 150. So voltage drop across 50 ohms is 3 by 150 into 50, which is 1 ohm. Next we have the magnetic needle suspended parallel to the magnetic field requires √3 joules of the work to turn it through the 60 degree. The torque needed to maintain the needle in this position will be. So work done in changing the orientation of the magnetic needle of magnetic moment M in magnetic field B from θ1 to θ2 is given by W is equal to MB cos θ1 minus cos θ2. Here θ1 is 0 degree and θ2 is 60 degree. Yes, because it is suspended in parallel to the magnetic field, so it is 0 degree and then it turns 60 degree. Therefore work comes out to be MB by 2. Torque of the needle is torque T is equal to M cross B. T is equal to MB sin theta, MB sin 60 degree, which is √3 by 2 MB. Therefore dividing 2 by 1 we get torque is equal to √3 times of W. Next question. When the angle of incidence of material is 60 degree and it is reflected light is completely polarized, velocity of the refracted ray inside the material is. So we have angle of polarization is 60 degree. Mu is equal to C by V. Mu is equal to C by V according to Brewster's law. Mu is equal to tan IP, which is mu equal to tan 60 degree, which is √3. Therefore dividing 1 by 2 we get V is equal to C √3, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by √3, which is √3 into 10 to the power 8. Important thing here is Brewster's law, which is mu is equal to tan IP. Next question is a spherical black body with radius 12 centimeter and radiates 450 watt power at 500 Kelvin. If radius were halved and temperature doubled, then the power radiated in watt would be. So we know that power is directly proportional to R squared T to the power 4. Therefore we can put the values and calculate. But important thing is that P is directly proportional to R squared T to the power 4. P directly proportional to R squared T to the power 4. Next.